Hi, this is swathiramya, Assistant Professor from SNS College of Engineering. You are here with me on NLP lecture series. In the previous video, we have seen the sentiment analysis of a CAF review, CAF review, and I have been telling the basic steps, what all the steps involved in the sentiment analysis. In this video, we are going to discuss same thing but little bit deeper way. Okay, as I told you before, the first and foremost step is the collection of data. Yes, the first step will be the data collection. You need a data. You collect the reviews of the CAF from various resources such as review websites and social media platform or customer feedback forms. You can collect the different reviews from different platforms. Okay, that is the first and foremost step. Second step, data pre-processing. You have to clean the collected data. The collected data cannot be used as it is. It has to be pre-processed. That is, it has to be remove the unwanted data. So we have to clean the collected data. This involves removing any irrelevant information such as username is not needed to analyze the review, right? So we can remove the username and timestamp and standardizing the text by converting it to the lowercase and remove the unwanted special cases like punctuation marks, full stops, colon, all those things. It will remove in the data pre-processing, it will remove all the irrelevant information which is not needed for our analysis, that is username, time, then the colon, and we have to make the data converted to the lowercase, which is very useful for analyzing that text. Third step will be tokenization. The tokenization means it is a breaking of the text into the individual words or token. What we are doing is we have a sentence and we divide the sentence into small tokens or a single word. That is called tokenization. This step is very crucial because it allows us to analyze each word separately. For example, if the review told the food was very nice, what we are doing is we have to tokenize, food as a token 1, food is token 2, food is very as a token 3. We have to split up the sentence into small token, that is called tokenization. It is very important step when you come for the sentiment analysis as well as NLP. This is the step number 3. Next we are going towards the step number 4, stop word removal. What we are doing here is remove the stop word which are common words that do not carry any significant meaning of the sentiment analysis. For example, it's a filler word like is, the, and, kind of that words is not needed for our analysis and it does not make any sense at all with the customer review. These words can be removed. These words are called stop words. We have to remove all these stop words. This is the step number 4. Okay, next we are moving towards the step number 5, that is sentiment classification. This is very important. When you go for the sentiment analysis, this step is very important. We have to assign the sentiment score for each words in the review. This can be done by using the sentiment lexicons or pre-trained sentiment analysis model. That is, pre-training we can do with the help of supervised or we can do with the help of machine learning algorithms. For example, if we see the word delicious, then we can take it into the positive. If it is friendly, that is also positive. If it is it's very slow. If the word was slow, then it is come under negative comment. Okay, so we have to categorize each word in some category, whether it is positive or negative. This is sentiment classification. Next we are going towards the step 6, aggregate sentiment scores. What we are doing with this, aggregate the sentiment score to determine the overall sentiment of the reviews. For each word we are giving some score, right? In the sentiment classification, for each word we are giving this or we are giving the score. Now we are putting all the score all together and we are review the scores. Okay, you can use the various method for aggregation such as averaging the score or considering the overall distribution of positive or negative words. So, number of positive words, number of negative words, you can take like that. That is the simplest way to calculate the aggregate sentiment score. Then last step was final sentiment analysis result. Based on the aggregate sentiment score, classify the overall sentiment of the CAF review as a positive or negative or neutral. So, this is the final step. It will provide a conscious summary of the sentiment expressed in the review. Okay. Next, I will wind up this video with this. Okay. Next video, let us see with some examples so that it will be more useful for you. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.